What's up, everyone? So what time is it?
7 o'clock.
It is currently 7 o'clock and today is the day.
I don't know if anyone remembers, but I think in the first video I was like, we have a surprise coming for you guys. And everyone who, I don't know, knows us, y'all just texted us and asked us what the surprise was. So we already told you, but if anyone's like stumbling upon our videos and didn't know what was going on, well.
Today we're getting a puppy, and we'll probably talk about her more once we get into our car and get going because it is like close to our departure time. But yeah, so we are gonna like explain everything, what kind of dog she is. She's a girl. But we did just get ready and we're about to go get our baby girl puppy. This was more of my idea of getting a puppy. Tedo's happy about it now. I've always wanted a puppy and today's the day. Tedo's excited now too, even though he did not want a dog at first. Winnie, he loves you and he wants you now. Alright, we're gonna get on the road. We'll let you know. We'll keep you updated.
I just kept telling you to wait.
Alright, everyone, so we are currently in our car and we just stopped and got some biscuits and stuff for us to eat. We got some food.
But anywho,
yeah, we've been driving for about like four-ish hours now, and we have about like an hour and a half to go, so we're gonna get on the road and we're gonna update you when we actually get there. I don't know if we're gonna like film us actually being there, but I know we're gonna obviously film after we get her. Yeah, just wanted to update you. We're about an hour away. We'll be back for more. Bye. We got our baby. Everyone meet Winnie Lou. She is the most adorable thing ever. I'm literally surrounded by puppy pads right now. Look at her. She's so tiny. I don't even know what to do with her. You're so little.
This is what she does when mama's not around. Oh. Can't get her to bark. Hey, sit. Sit. Does that feel good? Jesus. Winnie. That's my baby.
Never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.